Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any company among 25,000 worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 2nd of October 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.31. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently shows a loss of 0.00% since we initially recommended it as a hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the upper section of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $574.49 would initially signify a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 3.58% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -3.43% to +4.61%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 32.36% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 25.76% and 34.57%. This projection translates to a price range between $715.40 and $765.51 after a year. Our latest daily update for the SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF upgraded to hold accumulate. The SPY ETF price increased by a fraction of a percent on the most recent trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024. The price moved from $568.70 to $568.86. During this trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.82%, with a low of $565.27 and a high of $569.90. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 1.33% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 32 million shares on the last day, with a total of 34 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $19.37 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $574.71, while the lowest price reached $409.21. Currently, the price sits at 1.02%, or $5.85, below the 52-week high of $574.71, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, or SPY, made notable gains in September, closing the month up 2.1%. This positive performance contributes to a strong year-to-date return of 22%, marking the S&P 500's best 9-month performance since 1997. Notably, the top 10 high-yield dividend stocks for October show an enticing average yield of 3.89%, attracting income-focused investors. However, concerns about valuations hovering at historical highs and rising bond yields suggest limited upside potential. A focus on dividend-paying stocks reflects shifting investor strategies toward more defensive positions rather than growth. Additionally, recent market volatility, influenced by the Federal Reserve's rate decisions, underscores the importance of data-driven investment strategies to avoid potential downturns. In the short term, the growth momentum may support continued interest in SPY, particularly among those seeking stability and dividends. Long-term, caution is warranted as the market may face headwinds from economic uncertainties and high valuations, potentially affecting price growth for SPY. Investors should remain vigilant about market conditions, focusing on sectors demonstrating resilience in an evolving economic landscape. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY Exchange Traded Fund is currently receiving a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is present from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Should the ETF experience further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $570.93. Conversely, if there is a decline, support is anticipated from the long-term average around $560.22. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is also indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's important to note that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning signal, warranting close monitoring of the ETF. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the short-term outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, September 30th, 2024, and thus far, the ETF has declined by 0.87%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 40 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 214 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $543.01. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the last day, the fund experienced a movement of $4.63 between its high and low, which equates to 0.82%. For the past week, the fund has recorded an average daily volatility of 0.97%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is just above 570. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SPY meets its first support level around 543. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point while anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $548.87, which reflects a decrease of 3.51%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily movements, contributing to its low-risk profile. A sell signal has been indicated by a pivot top identified 2 days prior. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? The SPY ETF showcases several positive indicators. However, we believe these signals are not sufficient to categorize it as a strong buy at this moment. Currently, it would be more appropriate to view it as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Our analysis has been revised since the last evaluation, changing the recommendation from a sell to a hold or accumulate status. Upon reviewing the volatility and trading patterns from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of October, we anticipate that SPY will open lower by 85 cents, starting trading at $568.01. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.